हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल करियर नॉलेज हब। आज मैं आप लोगों को इंडिया के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट ईयर्स एंड डेट्स के बारे में बोलने जा रही हूँ। In 1498, discovery of sea route to India by Vasco da Gama. In 1526, first battle of Panipat. In 1600, East India Company established in India. In 1761, third battle of Panipat. In 1853, first railway line opened in India. In 1869, birth of Mahatma Gandhi. 1885, Indian National Congress founded. 1905, partition of Bengal. 1911, partition of Bengal revoked. 1919, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. 1928, visit of Simon Commission boycott. 1937, provisional autonomy. Congress forms ministries. In 1942, arrival of Cripps mission in India. Quit India Revolution passed by Congress. In 1943 to 1944, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose forms Provisional Azad Hind Hukumat. In 1947, division of India. India and Pakistan formed into separate independent dominions. In 1948, Mahatma Gandhi assassinated. In 1949, a ceasefire in Kashmir, Indian Constitution signed and adopted. In 1950, India becomes a sovereign democratic republic. Dr. Rajendra Prasad elected President of Indian Republic. In 1951, first five-year plan commenced. In 1952, first general election in the country. 1957, second general election in India. 1962, third general election of India. And also Chinese attack on India, 20th October. In 1965, Indo-Pak War. In 1966, Tashkent Agreement signed between India and Pakistan in 10 Jan. In 1967, fourth general elections held. In 1971, Indo-Pak War from 3rd December to 17th December, defeat of Pakistan, and Bangladesh formed in 16th December. In 1975, India enters spaces by launching Aryabhat. In 1977, N. Sanjeeva Reddy elected President of India. In 1978, inauguration of National Adult Education Program. In 1980, reservation of scheduled castes and tribes in the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assemblies extended for a further period of 10 years by the 45th Constitution Amendment Act, 14th April. In 1981, Rohini satellite in orbit, 13 May, and Bhaskar 2 launched in orbit, 1 November. In 1982, the 21 members Indian Pacific Expedition headed by Dr. S.Z.A. Qasim lands on Antarctica. INSET 1A launched 10th April. India's second expedition reaches Antarctica 28 December. In 1984, Rakesh Sharma in orbit and the Lok Sabha election completed and Rajiv Gandhi installed as a PM. In 1985, Punjab Accord signed 24 July and Assam Accord signed 15 August. In 1987, 39 International Table Tennis Championships at New Delhi. In 1988, Andhra High Court finds Chief Minister N.T. Ramarao guilty in 7 cases. In 1989, successful launch of Agni in 22 May. In 1990, successful launch of INSET 1A and President's rule in Jammu and Kashmir. In 1991, Rajiv Gandhi assignated in Sri Perambondar. And Narasimha Rao takes over as Union Prime Minister. In 1992, successful test of Agni, INSET twice A launched. Lok Sabha passes Panchayati Raj and Nagar Palika bills. In 1993, Indo-Bhutan Agreement for Sanko's Multipurpose Project and Panchayat Raj Act effective from 24th April. In 1994, 25th International Film Festival in Kolkata. In 1995, INSET-2C successfully launched from Kouro. IRS-1C successfully launched. In 1998, Vajpayee sworn in as the Prime Minister, and India conducts 2 more nuclear tests and surface-to-air missile Trishul test fired. In 1999, Mumbai girl Yukta Mukhi is Miss World. In 2000, President gives his assent to the bills relating to the creation of the new states of Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. In 2001, the geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle is successfully launched. In 2005, Right to Information Act into force. India's heaviest yet satellite INSET-4A launched, and 2011 world's cheapest tablet PC Akash launched. In 2014, Narendra Damodar Das Modi took oath as India's Prime Minister, and the largest solar power plant of India launched in Madhya Pradesh, and the Swachh Bharat mission launched by Narendra Modi.